For the month of April, Edo State witnessed a relative decline in the incidence of crime and crime-related situations. In April, we recorded a total of 118 incidents compared to March, where we had 154, and February was 138. So this has been a significant decline in reported incidents of security, which shows that Edo is becoming much safer. In the month of April, our new Commissioner of Police will explain the steps that have been, some of the steps that have been taken that has led to this dramatic decline. Unfortunately, we've seen a rise of, well, not quite a rise, we've now seen incidents of homicide. Actually, there's a rise in the incident of homicide from 22 in March to 35 in April. That is a cause of concern, and as the service chiefs will also explain, some of the factors driving this high incidence of homicide have to do with community clashes, issues of land disputes, herdsmen clashes. We also note that vehicular accidents dropped in the month of April. Overall, Edo is becoming much safer. The security situation in the state is something government is working hard to continue to improve. We know the situation is much better than it has been in the last several months, but we are still not satisfied. We believe that there's much more to be done. We can still improve and make sure that Edo becomes a crime-free state.
The fact speaks for itself. Edo State is safer now than before, and the figure speaks for itself. Many measures have been put in place by the government of Edo State, and the personal involvement and interest of the governor in the security re-engineering of the state has largely attributed this success. The point I'm trying to make is that the government has done a lot to make the security system work better. And on a regular and daily basis, the governor has done the much he can to enable the system work better. And the result of those efforts is what you are seeing by our records. I can assure you that we'll continue to improve. Edo is safer now, free for business, free for tourism and enterprise. The roads are safer and the communities are much better. We'll continue to improve on it.